Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you ever found yourself needing to map out processes, create flowcharts, or visualize complex ideas, then today tutorial is for you. We will be diving into Lucidcharts, one of the most popular diagramming and visualization tool out there. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use Lucid charts to create diagrams, collaborate with your team, and boost your productivity. So whether you are a beginner or just looking to brush up on your Lucid chart skills, let's get started. So before starting here, let's go to Google and search for Lucid chart. You will land up here. Now let's go and have a look over pricing here. You can come to this website and you can just compare each and everything. We have a free 2-year plan, individual and team, and the enterprise. Right. So Lucid Spark, so sorry, Lucid Spark is basically for this enterprise here. Now we'll just get started with the free one. For those who don't know, let's quickly talk about what Lucid Chart actually is. So at its core, Lucid Chart is a cloud-based diagrammic and including flowchart, mind maps, organizational charts, network diagram, and much more. Whether you are designing softwares, planning a project, or just visualizing an idea, Lucid Charts has everything covered. So to start, first of all, you need to create an account. I'm going to use Google. And the best part about Lucidchart, you can start right away here. So let's walk through how to create your first document. So to get, first of all, you have to sign up. And to sign up, this is how the entire dashboard is going to look up here. This is where you will see all your existing diagrams and where you can create new ones. So on the left side, you will find a variety of templates here, which you can see, right? So basically on the left, this is your workspace. So whether you can work with your team, you can work personally, you can create a team and you can invite them, right? So for example, here you can see here I'm using right now Lucid chart. That is the intelligent diagramming, and here this is a Lucid Spark, that is a virtual whiteboarding. So I will just go and use here Lucid chart. Now we can start with a complete blank here, and this is a canvas area. So basically this is where you will actually create and edit your diagrams. So let's go and click on blank document here, and here it will just load for a few seconds. And this is the area where you will actually create and edit your diagrams. Think of it as your working space. The top bar is basically you will find essential tools like undo, redo, zoom, and file options here. On the left side, you will find shape library. You can drag and drop to start building your diagram, which I will show you. All right, now let's jump in and create our first diagram. But before moving forward, let me show you some basic things here. So as you can see here, it is completely blank because I chose a blank document here. Now let's go to the home first of all. And once we are in the home, I've already tested with some my own diagrams on my own mind maps here, which I will explain each and everything here. So first of all, let's click on new. Then here, click on create for template. Template is basically you don't need to start from completely scratch, right? So I will use a template so that I can show you. Now here you can see this is a flow chart, this is an organizational chart, and there's a much more. Let's say I want to create a campaign of marketing. So I will just search for marketing, and here you can see I will get a lot of things. This is marketing automation, marketing campaigns, and anything here. So Lucid chart has templates for everything. So before go and start your something, start making directly from scratch, make sure you just go and search for it. Maybe you will find it helpful. So here you can say this is for the meeting and everything here. Now let's say this is a business process flow example. Now here I want to use it. So before using, I can just go and click on preview. Now this is how it's going to look like. I can just see whether it has everything what I need or not. On the left side, it has all this information, and it has in the below, it has something similar which you want. Let's say this is daily stand-up. So the daily stand-up is basically the daily working, right? So if you have a team and everybody has a different task, so you can use this one. So let's go here and click on it. Now this is how it's going to look like. Now here you can see there's a lot of information here, right? Now to zoom, I can use my mouse scroll here, right? So wherever I will keep my mouse cursor, for example here, then automatically it will zoom up here, and here, then here, right? You can also zoom it from here, which is bottom right side corner. This is zoom icon and this plus icon here. If you want complete full screen, this is how this full screen will come up here, right? Everything will vanish from your screen. Now this is a menu bar. So here you can see here the table of contents. So you can just also go directly from here, right? So there's a lot of way to navigate what you want to go and where you want to travel through your mouse cursor. So for example, this is overview. So what is daily stand-up? So every template has some information so that it will help you to understand. It has some videos so you can go through it. Now let's say this is a icebreaker questions. I mean, yeah, so obviously you can use it. For example, if I just remove this icon here, you can, what is your favorite childhood memory? So this is a game, you can use it to play with your team member or for something else here, right? So for example, you can see it has a lot more than that. For example, if I want to connect number 2 to number 12, so how I can do this, I can just click on this mouse on the left side, and I can just click and hold and drag it to the 12, and automatically it will get attached. Now let's say I also want to connect this 7 number to 12. So what I can do, I can do like this, right? So let's say I can just do like this or like this. I can just connect anywhere, right? So for example, I want to connect it exactly at the same point, I can do this, right? So this is how this exactly work, right? And it has a lot more features. For example, if I want to remove this, so I can remove it, and if I want to tilt it, then I can just take a different cursor, different lines directly from the same box. And it does a lot more things. If I want to change the color, then I can change the color. Let's say I want to change the color of this one. Let's say I want to adjust it like this. So you can see here, I don't want to, I want to make it something like this. I can even make it like this, right? I want to keep it as a red, so it will look like a red, as you can see here, right? Now, if I want to add a text, so here, this is a text icon. So I can just go and add text anywhere, literally anywhere. I can just put it here, right? For example, hello, right? And once I have done this, I can just drag and put it anywhere here, for example, here. And let's say I want to connect it through like this, right? And same goes for here. And if I want to put this box in if I want to put this text in a box, I can put it, I can put an emoji to it, I can put a tag to it. So there's a lot of things we can do, right? So this is like just like Instagram. That is interesting, right? Now you just need to explore more and more, and you will find a lot more things here. So I can just infuse another template into this same template. Let's say I want this thought web viewer, so I can just go and click on use it, and automatically it will come up here. So let it load. So it has load. Now here I can just put it like this, and you can see here this is available right now. It is in the below. I can just click and hold. I mean, I can select everything here, and I can just move it at the closer. Right guys, now let's say if I want to create some kind of a shapes, I can just go and create some shapes directly from here. So I can create tables, I can create text, right? I can create my own mind maps, and everything will help me so that it is in the proper adjustment, right? And here you can see that I need to upgrade it, but it has a lot more features in the Lucid Spark. So you can just go and check out here, and you can just add more and more images and gifs and lot more. You can even add links. So for example, you can see here this is a YouTube video right now, and basically this is a video link, right? So if I just go and click on it, let's double click on it, and here you can see the video will start playing here, and I can literally watch the entire video, right? So this is really interesting because it's so much easy to work on it. Now let's say if you want to share it up, you can share it to anybody, you can share the link, and you can also share this as a project. If you want to present this, you can present it in a presentation manner, right? If you want to record this, you can record it. There's a video integration, right? If you want to connect your team, you can connect your team, you can collaborate with them, you can add a comments to any specific things from directly from here. You can even export and print this entire diagram, right? It's time to export and print it out, so it's really easy. So you have to just go and go to the files and click on download as, and you can download it in your format, right? So this is here, this is file, right, on the top left side corner. And here basically you have to export it, and you can export in different formats, in the PowerPoint, Word, Google Slides, PDF, PNG. So it has everything, right? And even you can connect to more apps. Let's say you want to export this and import it into a different application, so you don't need to go through a lengthy process. You can directly connect through the applications. So now there's a lot of things, but the video has already been too long. So now that you know the basics, let's briefly touch some more advanced features. That is the integration with other tools here. And let's say I will just go and click on it, And Lucidchart integrates with a lot of other tools like Google Drive, Asana, and there's a Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, Notion, and there's a lot more. And there's an advanced shape formatting. So here you can just go in shapes, and here you will find a lot more things here, and you can just adjust it, rebuild it however you want. And that's it. You are now equipped to create, collaborate, and share stunning diagrams in Lucidcharts. Whether you're making a flowchart, mind map, or any other types of visual diagram, you have got the tool you need to get started. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe.